Hello my dear subscriber and viewers, welcome back to Akshara Akshita 2023 channel. In this video, I am going to explain about coding guidelines for central venous access procedure. This is third series, lost guidelines, and then those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel, press bell button, select all, then only you will get my all future videos as a notification. Okay guys, let's start our today's topic. So what is the uses of central venous access procedure? Means to administration of medication, either antibiotic, chemotherapy drugs or other IV drugs, or any fluid or nutritional components or transfusion of blood products. For this purpose only the central or peripheral access they will insert. Okay, so when this is very simple guidelines only, but definitely from for CPC exams one question will come. Each year actually each exams they are asking one question from this section. So that's why for whatever the important questions guidelines for CPC exams, those guidelines only I am covering in this channel. So this is also very most important topic for CPC exams. So first point we have to check whether this access is centrally inserted or peripherally inserted. If it is centrally inserted means jugular vein, subclavial or femoral vein or inferior vena cava catheter entry site. These are considered as centrally inserted. If peripherally inserted means basilic, cephalic or saphenous vein entry site. So these are considered as peripherally inserted catheter. So first step you have to check either centrally inserted or peripherally inserted. Sometime in questions they will tell directly centrally inserted catheter, peripheral. If it is not there, if they have given like jugular vein inserted, catheter inserted means, so jugular means centrally you have to consider. So for this reason only they have given in the bracket in book itself what are the centrally inserted access, what are the peripherally inserted access. Okay, so next point is tunnel or non-tunnel. Tunnel means long-term access, it is tunnel. So non-tunnel means so short-term access. So I have given the definition of what is the tunnel or non-tunnel, where they are fixing the tunnel also. So please check this also. So we have to check whether that catheter is tunneled or non-tunneled. Maximum times they will give directly tunnel, or either it is tunnel or non-tunnel. So this is the second point we have to check. Then third point is patient age of the patient. So based on this age they have categorized the CPT code. So patient age we have to check, this is third point. And next point is we have subcutaneous port or we have subcutaneous pump. So with port or without pump, these things we have to check. Okay, so what are the we have to check whether it is centrally, peripherally inserted, age of the patient, tunnel or non-tunnel, with port or pump, these things we have to check. Then next point is patient coming for what purpose, either it's insertion or removal or replacement or repair of the catheter. So these things we should know. So based on this four main category they have categorized the CPT codes differently. So patient coming for either insertion or removal or replacement or repair. So first check from our questions for what purpose patient came to the hospital. Okay, so then only we have to check whether it is central, peripheral, tunnel, non-tunnel, age of the patient, with port or pump. Okay, next so with the tabular column also we have in our book itself they have given like in tabular columns like pacemaker. So we can take in the tabular column itself they have given separately central, what is the codes for the centrally inserted non-tunnel, centrally inserted tunneled, and peripheral insertion, what is the code for non-tunnel, what is the code for tunnel, and age basis also. Everything they have given in the table column itself. You can utilize that tables. If it is you feel if it is easy for you, you can utilize the table also. So once you finalize that CPT code, then you have to check in the tabular list under the tabular under that code descriptions. So as I told you earlier so many times, you have to check that parenthetical note thoroughly. So without that checking parenthetical note, you should not finalize the CPT code. Once you take the code from the tables, you have to check in the tabular list under the description parenthetical note, which code is inclusive with the which code. So these notes you have to check under the code descriptions, that is the coding guidelines. Once you check, then you can finalize the CPT code. Okay, let's see the coding guidelines for these sections. So if the existing device is removed and new device is placed via the separate access site, then may be reported both removal and insertion code also. Usually removal of device we should not code when inserting the new device, but here if it is venous access site is separate from the removal site, then we can bill removal and insertion separately. Okay, the next point is, if imaging guidance is used for gaining the access or manipulating the catheter into the final position, should be coded 76937 and 77007. Okay, then next point is, if chest x-ray we should not bill separately for purpose of final catheter position on the site. Day services should not be reported with the 36572, 36573, 36584. If to check the position of the catheter after the procedure, we should not bill separately chest x-ray code. Then if the catheter tip location is not confirmed, then we should add 52 modifier with 36572, 73, 36584. Okay. The next point is, midline catheter or not centrally venous access device. For this we should use 36400, 36406, 36410 code. Okay. Then 71045, 46, 47, 48. These code we should not bill separately if the purpose of that procedures is final catheter position. Then we should not code separately on the same day of service as 36572, 36573, 36584. Okay, same like do not report 36937 77001. It is in conjunction with the 36568 6972 7384. This set of codes we should not bill 36937 77001. Okay, these are the included excluded procedures. This is very simple topic only. You can feel this is very easy, but this is very important questions for CPC exams. So you should know for based on which topics, which point we have to arrive the CPT codes. So the finally what is the coding tips means. So check the patient came for either insertion, removal or replacement. Then patient age, centrally or peripheral, tunnel, non-tunnel, with or without port pump. So these things you should check from the your question. Then only you can select the questions. Additionally, you have to check the parenthetical note. Without that checking that note, please don't go for any options. Okay. So okay guys, that's it about the today's section. In next, if you have any doubt, please comment, and if you like this video, please like to reach out to many people this video, and those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And additionally, I would like to share one thing for my channel. I have gotten approval for join membership. Those who are joined in my channel as a membership, I am giving for those people, I am offering some points. So please please click on the join buttons under that video. Check 4 levels I have given. So each level separate access, separate benefit I am giving for those people. And next is the super thanks also I got approval. So those who are willing to buy the super thanks and send to me is well and good. So this is not compulsory. So those who are interested to appreciate my effort or to support my channel, you can do it. So this is not compulsory. So the cost is from 40 rupees to unlimited. So those who are willing to pay for my effort or to appreciate my effort to support my channel, those people can do it. And okay guys, in next video I'm going to share about I'm going to start fourth series. So fourth series also, what are the important guidelines for CPC exams, I'm going to cover in fourth series. Okay guys, let's see in fourth series. First important topic is endoscopy procedure. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.